Welcome to the Power of Prayer channel. Here is a space of faith, hope and union, where together we seek the strength that comes from prayer to transform our lives. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. May peace and light be with you. Today, May 24th, we celebrate with faith and gratitude the powerful presence of Saint Sara Kali, the patron saint of the Gypsy people and symbol of hope, protection and spiritual strength. In this moment of prayer, we unite our devotion to the ancestry, freedom and living faith of the Gypsy people. Invoking the light of Saint Sara to illuminate our paths, bring healing to our pain and renew our hopes. With an open heart, with respect for Gypsy culture and its wisdom, we raise our thoughts to heaven, asking for blessings of peace, love, protection and prosperity. May the scent of flowers, the glow of candles and the sound of prayers carry our sincere cry to the divine throne. Prayer to Saint Sara Kali and the Gypsies of light for peace, faith and open paths. Saint Sara Kali, Mother of the waters, guardian of those who walk. Welcome my tired soul, calm my thoughts, and pour your peace over my days. With your ancestral strength, break the invisible chains that block my paths. And with the sacred winds of the Gypsy people, bring freedom, movement and light to my life. Gypsies of faith and wisdom, masters of joy, love and intuition, teach me to trust in God's timing, to follow with courage and to dance even in the storms. Saint Sara, may your blue flame protect my home. May your golden light open the doors that were closed to me. And may I never lack hope, faith and direction. Guide me with your sacred scarf. Free me from fear, envy and injustice. And may I feel your presence enveloping me in peace at the end of each day. With humility and gratitude, I ask you. May the paths of love, health, work and peace be opened. May my faith be renewed, and may life flourish again. Hail, Saint Sara Kali. Hail the Gypsy people of light. So be it. Amen. Saint Sara, generous mother and guardian of those who walk sowing faith, gratitude and joy, we thank you for your loving presence on this sacred day. May your blessings remain with us, protecting us from injustice, opening our paths and strengthening our trust in divine providence. To the Gypsies of light, our brothers of wind and fire, may the strength of your freedom inspire us to live with more courage, compassion and faith. May the spirit of unity and respect among peoples flourish in our hearts. So be it. Amen. Hail Saint Sara Kali. Thank you for being with us on the Power of Prayer channel. May peace, love and the strength of prayer accompany you and your family. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe so we can continue spreading messages of faith and hope. Until the next meeting, and may God bless you all.